How to tie the transom knot. So in front of me I've got the two objects that I want to join together using the transom knot. The first thing I'm going to do is get my working end and just pass it to the left hand side, and we want a fair bit because it's cord hungry, this one. And the first thing I do is just lay it over my two bars like so. Now that I've done that, I take the working end and I pass it underneath the brass bar and bring it up over the top. Now that I've brought it up over the top, I then take it over, allow it to cross over my standing end over the white bar, and then take the working end underneath the brass bar like so. Once I've done that, I bring it round the back of the brass bar and I can pull it tight now. And now that I've done that, the next thing I want to do is take my working end and I'm going to pass it over my standing end here, and then I'm going to go up underneath where those two cross over. So take it over my standing end, then just gently pull up and allow the rope to pass underneath the crossing points at that point there. Bring it out on the other side, then pull it up, dress it up nice and smartly, nice and tight, and there we have it. We have one in number transom knot.